At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine sectors. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
Welcome to the Farms.com Weekly Crop Report for March 15th, 2012. This is Michelle Lamirande, Commodity Research Analyst for Farms.com Risk Management. The USDA released their weekly grain export report this morning. For the week ending March 8th, U.S. corn exports were reported within expectations of 550 to 850,000 metric tons. U.S. soybean exports were reported significantly above expectations of 650 to 900,000 metric tons. U.S. wheat exports were reported below expectations of 400 to 600,000 metric tons. U.S. initial weekly jobless claims were reported at 351,000, below expectations of 356,000. This marked a four-year low, suggesting further strengthening in the labor market. In addition, continuing weekly jobless claims were reported at 3.34 million, lower than expectations of 3.41 million. Strategy Grains raised its estimate for the European Union 12-13 corn crop to 64.6 million metric tons, up 2 million metric tons from their February estimate, but down 800,000 from the 11-12 marketing year. Planted corn acreage is expected at 9.3 million hectares, up from February's estimate of 9 million. Strategy Grains also lowered their 2012 European Union barley production forecast to 53.4 million metric tons, down 1.2 metric tons from their prior estimate, but up 3% from the 2011's crop. The NOAA is forecasting that over the next 3-month period from April to June, most of the U.S. will experience normal temperatures with the exception of the Pacific Northwest, which will see below normal temperatures. And lastly, the current bull rally in Canadian canola is showing no sign of slowing down as futures continue to find strength independent of that seen in soybean futures. Substantial supply of the oilseed has been more than offset by strong demand from domestic and export sectors. Demand is so strong that it has created concern that old crop canola stocks, which had been seen as abundant at one time, will actually be tight by the end of the 11-12 crop year. Some analysts believe that even with a record 20 to 21 million acres planted in 2012, production will not be enough to fix the tight old crop supply situation, given the anticipated demand for new crop canola. That's all for this week. Have a happy St. Patrick's Day and enjoy your weekend.